Today topic is exponent. What are you thinking? What is exponent? Oh, he is thinking correct. That what is exponent? Let me explain. The exponent of a rational number means how many times to use a rational number in a multiplication. Now look at here. If I write 3 upon 7 and power is 2. How can you read this? We can read this 3 upon 7 raised to the power 2. Like this one, 3 upon 7 raised to the power 2. And it means, according to the definition, that 3 upon 7 is 2 times in multiplication. And here 2 is known as power or exponent or index, whereas 3 upon 7 is known as base. And this form, when we write like this one, 3 upon 7 raised to the power 2, this form is known as exponential form. And when we open this bracket according to their power, then we can write like 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7, and after opening the bracket we can find there are two 3 upon 7 in the form of the multiplication, and this form is known as expanded form. Next topic is convert into the exponential form. Let's take an example for understanding this. If I write 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. So you can see how many 3 upon 2 are there? There are 4 3 upon 2 are there. So in the next step we can write 3 upon 2 raised to the power 4. This is called the exponential form, and that is the answer. Next topic is express the rational number in the form of P upon Q. Let's take an example for understanding this topic. If I write 3 upon 4 raised to the power 2, means here you have to expand this 3 upon 4 for 2 times, like this one, 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 4. Here according to the question your answer should be in the form of P upon Q, means where there is one numerator and one denominator is present. But here you can see there are two numerator and two denominator, and both are in the form of multiplication. So here we will multiply, that is 3 3 the 9 and 4 4 the 16. That is the answer, because this answer is in the form of P upon Q. Now next topic is express in power notation, and here you can see that minus 8 upon 27 is already written. So here for converting power notation we will find out the prime factors of 8 and 27. Look at here, 2 4 the, then 2 2 the, then 2 1 the, and here 27, 3 9 the, 3 3 the 9, then 3 1 the 3. Here we can create the triplet of prime factors, and here also we can create the triplet of the prime factors. So in the next step we can write minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3. Why power is 3? Because here we created triplet of the prime factors. Now next topic is find the value of given exponential form, and here you can see that examples already is written, that is minus 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2 into minus 4 upon 9 raised to the power 3. Now in the further step we will expand this minus 3 upon 2 for 2 times, that is minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2. Now moving on, minus 4 upon 9 will be expanded for 3 times because power is 3 given. Minus 4 upon 9 into minus 4 upon 9 into minus 4 upon 9. And here you can see that this 4 can be divided by this 2 for 2 times. So here we will divide 2 to the 4, and here again we can divide minus 2 to the 4. Now here you can see that this 9 can also be divided by this 3 for 3 times. 3 1 the 3, then 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3, then 3 3 the 9. Now in the next step we will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16. and here 3 3 is 9, 9 9 is 81. Now count the symbols. If negative symbols are in the odd counting, it means answer should be negative, and if negative symbols are in the even counting, it means answer should be positive. Let's count the symbol. 1 2 3 4 5. So here you can see there are 5 symbols, so answer should be negative. So here we will put a minus symbol before the answer. So finally answer is minus 16 upon 81. Now next topic is reciprocal, and I have taught you about reciprocal means when you convert numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, this process is known as reciprocal. Let's take an example for understanding this topic. 28 upon 15, and here you are to find out the reciprocal of 28 upon 15. So here we will write reciprocal of 28 upon 15 is equal to 28 upon 15 raised to the power minus 1. This minus 1 indicates that you are to find out the reciprocal in the next step, and in the next step we can write 15 upon 28. Let's take another example. If I write minus 28 upon 15, so what should be the reciprocal of minus 28 upon 15? Here the reciprocal of minus 28 upon 15 is minus 15 upon 28. According to the standard form, we will show minus sign with numerator. So answer should be minus 15 upon 28. It is the reciprocal of minus 28 upon 15. In next session we will discuss more on exponent. Till then, goodbye.